Yo, what up, boys and girls? It's Sunday, it's beautiful, Labor Day weekend. I am on my way to meet up with the crew. Today is the Hawaiian t-shirt ride. That's gonna be cool. I got me a nice orange one. I borrowed it from my girlfriend's dad because he's got like an arsenal of them. So I didn't have to buy one. So yeah, I'll be there shortly and we're gonna, you know, do some shenanigans and stuff. Fixing to be loud today, tubers. KTM Supermotos, squat deep. Oh, I'm so pumped. Let it begin. CRF 450L. Nice. First time seeing one of them out here. There's probably about 50 members here. Yeah, I think we got like 4 or 5 ladies out here on some bikes. Hell yeah. The 450L is really sick. So clean, looks really good. She's nice and quiet right now. Stock exhaust. The thing looks fully stock. But from what I've seen on YouTube, you can turn that things into some, you know, really nice bikes. You know, they just came out with the 450L, I think, last year. They already have a ton of parts for it. It's a Honda, it's always gonna run. Yeah! Gotta love the Yamaha Bolt. Hell yeah, man. That was nice, tubers! Killing it today! I feel good! Got a big sumo group up in the front, tubers! Oh shit, look at that little thing! I know it's a Grom, but that thing is like, wow, bright. Oh damn, he's got little brake lights on his stunt pegs. That's fucking cool. I haven't seen that before. This is the guy that did that gnarly ass burnout on Highway 61 last ride. Shit was wicked crazy, yeah. I don't know if we picked up more people or not, but it seems like there's more people now. My horn doesn't work! Oh shit! Custom subframe? Yo, that's fucking gnarly. Got the bull Justin out here on his Kawasaki 900. Jawn is pretty nice. This ride's definitely a little more rowdy already than the Centralia ride. We're taking up both lanes. We got a lot of supermotos, meaning a lot of wheelies and shit. I think that's a Husqvarna 701 Jawn right there. Last time that it was the biggest group ride I've been on, but this one tops that for sure. This was like the whole ride last time, but we have just as many people behind us as we do in front of us. I'm really liking the wide range of bikes we have here. I think I saw a KTM SMC 690. You got a Husqvarna 501. You got, you know, early Gixxers. You got an 07, 08 ZX6R. You got multiple R6s. Yamaha Bolt. You got DRZs, both Supermoto and just dual sport. You got the CRF 450L, KTMs of all years. I mean, it's just awesome. You got a couple extended Gixxers back there. Street Fighter action. Justin on his cafe. Oh yeah, and we got some Groms. Now that is a mountain. All the way out here in the back. I need to get up front. That's an even bigger mountain. Holy shit, dude. This is knucking butts, tubers. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Yeah. everyone just got a bite to eat and shit at this awesome place. They got like 4 or 5 bars in there. It's really cool. And now we're off. I'm staying up front with the Supermotos this time. That's the start button. Come on, man. You got titanium on the back and that thing's still all fresh. You haven't even touched it yet. Husqvarna has like a little border around the license plate, but it's actually a brake light. That's the first to me. I've never seen that. That shit's legitness. Super Duke wheelies. Damn. So sick. Lift that shit up, boy. Today, killing it, killing it! We're staying up on one today. You know I gotta wheelie this monster ass fucking hill. Today. Nice, nice, nice. I'm all like wheelied out. I did a shit ton already. I'm good. Alright, well, it's time to head back. We're a little bit down the road here from the cycle center. I'm gonna split off from there and head home. Got some ish I gotta do. Gotta let my dogs out. You know the deal. So somehow I got separated from everyone. And then a whole bunch of the sport bikes were going like 309 south or some shit. So I think I just turned on the right road where Blackman's is. I think everyone was going back there. Yep, that was everyone. Well, that's where I'm gonna end today's video. So today was awesome, great outcome, a lot of people, a lot of new faces, no problems, a lot of good riders. So if you like today's video, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.